Monday, December 5th, 2022. I had Justin call. Yeah, he's the guy who's walking across the boom. He actually worked for me for a little bit. He does pretty good work on the booms, cleaning them out, and he used to take care of the recycle cage, but we have almost no communication at all. So I'm going to help him out. He's going to help me out, and as long as I keep an eye on him, he does pretty good here. So we got to get this cleaned up and out of the road. Up. That's why the people are just packing it around outside. Because when they see these sacks out here, the people think, oh, it's just okay to leave it outside. This is this little girl, isn't she cute? She's by his side all the time. What a mess, huh? Well, I got plenty of sacks. Let me grab you some more sacks. Most of the girls are too shy here. We might here the best we can. So. Cans and stuff? Okay. Let's throw it on inside then. Gloves. Nice. You have a good hand? No. Oh, Justin, let's get the bottles. Bottles and cans can go in here. I'll fix them up. Bottles and cans. Okay. Get them out of it. Nasty ass diapers here. Check these out. The people do not bag them properly. We got to get rid of these diapers. I was looking at reusable ones on Lazada here, and they got some new high-tech ones that are drip-proof and everything. And I got one good person, and they still think it's cardboard because on somewhere on here, even though I covered it up, they still think it's cardboard. It's recyclable. Which is... We'll get down here, and yeah, check these out. It's starting to happen. We need to get these picked up now, or they're going to be all over the place. I'm pissed. All that work having the police department come down here to rebag it, and now it's all going to fall apart again. And people are putting their garbage in with it. Why can't I get this picked up? They say segregate or it won't get picked up, and then you do, and it just sits there until it rots. This island is seriously broken. And yeah, I'm getting more vocal about it. I was told just to shut up. And if I want to help, go ahead and help. Well, I'm helping, but I will get some help. I got to bring the wrath of God down on this island in the process. Those sachets and wrappers, huh? Videos. I got so much video on there I'll never be able to do anything with. Well, this is recyclables. This is garbage here. This is recyclables. Make sure all the recyclables go in here, the bottles. This needs to be picked up here, and all of this back and around, and then take the rake and rake all the garbage into a pile too. Just tidy up the area. Well, about an hour into it, and the beat goes on, huh? It's going to be a full cage by the time we get the other stuff in there. Over there, I'll get over here. Start getting some of these loose bottles picked up, huh? Yeah. I could put some gloves on, but really I can work faster without. These aren't too gooey. Not really my idea of progress. Segregate it all, and then it all recombines in the landfill. Welcome to Camigan Island. I need to get that drained out of there too. Maybe I can open that up with the shovel. We'll see. Cage. It's the best working cage on the whole damn island. You think they'd be supporting it 100%. We do have provincial picking it up every 2 days, but man, do they leave a mess. And they don't bother bagging anything extra. And then we got crap like this down in here where the kids can get it. Diabetic or drug users or COVID or who knows what. It's not Sharin's from, but let's look at that baby. Normally that is all over the streets of Mombaha, and the streets have never been cleaner here in Mombaha thanks to this cage, but nobody really thanks the cage. In fact, it's one of the other best kept secrets that nobody ever mentions. Same as our kabooms for some reason. Justin's still going strong. I'm going to get him down on the kabooms today too. We'll be back. We're getting full up now. More cardboard and stuff. They made it. Good job, guys. Salamat.
Good job, guys.
Hold. It survived the typhoon, so it'll survive this too. Does that look 100% better or what, huh? Only took about an hour and a half. 2 hours work that the brown guy should have been doing all along every day. Yeah, we're going to get a kaboom cleaning in here too out of Justin. So, okay. Yeah, that looks good. Let's load the tools up. We'll go down to the Coke Canal and I'll help you scoop some out there. So, full to the hilt now. Oh boy, we'll be back.